Right, this is Northern Ten Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town City. No, that was it, my brother.
I'm finding you.
Good man, good man. How do you feel about the game tonight?
Oh, the game was nice tonight.
Yeah.
Since they tried coming back, the coming back could not happen. Robero, the assists.
Yeah.
After they entered Lodge, the game started changing. Lodge.
Was it a little bit slow or?
No, the game was fast, but Lodge missed a goal. Instead of him kicking it with a curl, he kicks it with his own foot. Them bones.
Yeah, them bones, yeah.
It's not supposed to do that.
He must kick it with the
care. Exactly. He must kill it in nicely.
Yeah, nicely. Yeah. So he just ballooned it.
Yes.
So, but are you happy all in all with the 3 points, 3 goals, clean sheet?
Yes, I'm happy with the 3 points. They were trying to come back, but the chances could not happen.
They even got the red card,
Yeah, they got a red card. Mara, their cappings were a lot, man.
Yeah, big time, ne?
Big time. It was a big game.
Yeah.
It was tough. Mara, we still made it.
Beautiful.
We still made it.
Yeah.
Mara, we still Chiefs. Chiefs are
Yeah, we're coming.
We're coming.
Good. Okay, on Saturday, do you think you're going to win that one?
We're going to win it.
We're
going to win it. We're going to win maybe 3.
Yeah.
3-0, 3-1.
Beautiful, man. All the best on Saturday.
Thank you.
Hola.